Hi guys, another exciting day at Moss Technical Services because I'm going to be unboxing not only the 24 volt version digital black for Niko Home Control, but also the 230 volt version, which means that you can install this on existing traditional wiring and turn your existing installation into a smart home. So these products won the Best Home Technology Product at the Build It Awards in 2019. It's also won numerous awards in Belgium. So it's multi-award winning, multinational. The product in the middle, which I'm going to be showing you also, is the smart hub for the digital black for traditional wiring. So that's what makes it all work together. So I'm just going to unbox these now for you. This is the 24 volt version. So if we just whip this out of the box, you'll see we have the back box that sits onto the wall plate. And I've unboxed this in a previous video, but as you can see there, that receives a 24 volt DC supply. And the screen, which is in a little box inside, this clips onto it, okay, by means of the connection plug on the back. And these can be programmed and assigned by the end user to have up to 12 different actions on them, from music, heating, lighting control, shading control. So you can configure them how you like in whatever configuration you like carousel or grid, and you can see those in some of my other videos. So if I just put the 24 volt version off to one side, I'm just going to show you now the new digital black for mains wiring 230 volt. So if we just whip this out of the box, you'll see here's the back plate. Okay, so it looks very similar, but the difference is on the back. So if we show you on the back now, there's a number of terminals, okay, for 230 volts. So let's just whip that over and show you. So here we have a live and a neutral on the right hand side there coming in, and then we've also got a switch live, the L1 terminal. So this can replace your existing light switch, providing you've got a neutral at the switch. And the switch live L1 goes up to the light fitting. Okay, so this replaces your existing switch. The E1 terminal is a pulse terminal, so when you pulse a switch live onto there from another switch, it basically makes this digital black a two-way switched or three-way or four-way configuration very easily. So if we just get the screen out, the screen, as you can see, looks the same as the other one. Okay, so we've still got the connections on the back, and the same for the configuration. You've got up to 12 actions that can assign to it. So this is the mains version, the 230 volt version. There's a little film on the front that you can see. Obviously I'm putting my fingerprints all over it, but that could be pulled off very easily. Okay, so the thing that makes this work together, if I just move this off to one side, is the smart hub. So if I take the smart hub out, this plugs into the router, so that it can communicate, it broadcasts its wireless signals to the smart switches throughout the installation. So both of these devices, the 24 volt and the 230 volt, they communicate via Wi-Fi. Okay, and this is the central hub for it. Okay, so looking forward to getting all these installed. If you want to know more, contact us at homecontrol.uk.com. You can follow us on YouTube, and if you like our videos, like and share them. So it's Moss Technical Niko Home Control on YouTube, and get in touch. If you like it, give it a like and a share, and look forward to showing you our next video.